Boko Haram terrorists have attacked UN helicopters, leaving 2 dead. The United Nations on Saturday said 2 civilians, including a 5-year-old child, were killed and an aid helicopter damaged in a jihadist attack in restive northeast Nigeria. Boko Haram fighters waging a decade-long insurgence in the region launched the attack in the town of Damasak on Thursday. UN Humanitarian Coordinator in Nigeria, Edward Gallon, who said both the fatalities and several others who were injured in the attack were on the ground. A UN Humanitarian Air Service helicopter was hit by bullets during the attack. No aid workers were on board at the time, and crew members are all safe, Gallon said in a statement. A UN communication seen by AFP said the aircraft was shot as it approached Damasak and the pilot managed to fly back to regional capital Maiduguri, which is 500 kilometers away. The memo said the UN was suspending rotational flights for 1 week to engage with government partners and conduct new risk assessment. Helicopters provide a vital link carrying humanitarian personnel and delivering aid to an estimated 7.8 million people in urgent need of assistance across the Northeast, having lost their home. The 10-year-old jihadist conflict has killed more than 36,000 people and forced some 2 million from their home in the region. Key roads remain too dangerous to travel, despite the Nigerian military, who repeatedly insisting that it has largely defeated the insurgents. The UN has complained of an uptick in attacks targeting aid workers in the region of the country. The area around Damasak on the border with Niger is dominated by the Islamic West African province, ISWAP, which broke away from jihadist group Boko Haram in 2016. This is a very sad and pathetic news reaching us from the northeast part of Nigeria. I think with this news coming from the UN, I think this will go a long way to expose the cover up by the Buhari administration and the Nigerian military that keep telling Nigerians that they have nothing to fear, that the Boko Haram have been disseminated, that they have been dealt with. But with this report, and now this is not the first time we are hearing this type of report, we are hearing of incessant attack of the Boko Haram in different parts of the northeast, especially Borno State, to be precisely. And in recent times, we have seen some of the soldiers that were sent to that part of the region to fight this Boko Haram coming out, some insulting and accusing the Buhari administration of not doing enough to check this Boko Haram. Some have even come on air to accuse the Chief of Defense Staff, Buratai, of giving them fake guns that is not enough to fight this Boko Haram insurgent, which is the ammunition they are using is not to compare with what these Boko Haram insurgents are using against them, and it's as if they have sabotage among them. And in the heat of all this, the Nigerian legislator are scrambling to release some Boko Haram terrorists. There is, I don't know, they brand them repentant terrorists into the society. I wonder what kind of government the Buhari government is and which kind of insensitivity and lack of to the plight of the citizen. I'll be taking some comment because Nigerians are not really happy. Someone said, tomorrow Buhari will express shock, telling us that he is not aware of it. Next comment said, Buhari is just a big waste. Next comment said, just in, President Buhari expresses shock over the Boko Haram attack on the UN helicopter. He promises to bring the terrorists to book. This is mocking what small time now, especially Adesina, who is the spokesperson to Buhari, will come and say. Next comment said, Punch, please do better. Another comment said, maybe we will speak now or hope we will not look for gift. Next comment said, while Buhari will be shocked in some days' time, maybe UN will now take Boko Haram seriously and see them as threat to international peace and stability. We want them to intervene. Another comment here said, it is only the citizen that can save this country because we don't really have a president. We only have a liability. Someone said, President Muhammadu Buhari will condemn the matter and express shock. I want shock observer. Imagine if this had happened in the East. FAN would have officially suspended all flight to the entire region, and the Gota Southwest Press will make it a big issue. Nigeria is a huge crime scene and will remain so until Biafra comes. This one of Nnamdi Kanu supporter. Someone said, oh no, we cannot afford another bad publicity. You'll soon see the Buhari attacking dog coming after everyone. We are waiting to see what they are going to say. This one say, Gengen, even Buhari is shocked by the state of this nation. What exactly would be Buhari's legacy? What has Buhari done differently from Jonathan? Please answer honestly. I think you should ask that. You should answer that yourself because you are in the best solution to know that. Next comment say, what a time to be alive. I